Pack light and travel right. Mastering the art of minimalism. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very handy phrase for all travelers: please pack lightly. This phrase is not only a common request but also a valuable tip for anyone preparing for a journey. Let's explore what it really means to pack lightly and why it's important. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first trip, understanding this concept can make your travels much smoother and more enjoyable. When someone advises you to pack lightly, they're essentially suggesting that you bring fewer items or only the essentials. The idea is to avoid overpacking and to make your luggage as light and manageable as possible. This concept is crucial for several reasons, including ease of movement, avoiding extra baggage fees, and reducing the risk of losing valuable items. Packing lightly comes with a plethora of benefits. For starters, it makes navigating through airports, train stations, and new cities much easier. You're more agile and less likely to get tired from carrying heavy bags. Additionally, you can save money on checked baggage fees and reduce the waiting time at the baggage claim area. Another significant advantage is the freedom and flexibility it offers. With less baggage, it's easier to make spontaneous plans or changes to your itinerary. Now, let's go over some practical tips to help you pack lightly. Make a packing list. Include only the essentials and stick to it. Choose versatile clothing. Opt for items that can be mixed and matched or worn in multiple settings. Limit the number of shoes. Shoes are bulky. Bring a pair that's comfortable for walking and one for special occasions if needed. Use travel-sized containers. For toiletries, opt for small bottles that meet airline regulations. Roll your clothes. Rolling instead of folding can save space and prevent wrinkles. Consider the weather and activities. Pack according to the climate of your destination and planned activities to avoid carrying unnecessary items. And that wraps up our guide on how to please pack lightly. Remember, the art of packing lightly is all about bringing what you need and leaving behind the excess. It's a skill that enhances your travel experience, making it more enjoyable and hassle-free. We hope this video helps you prepare better for your next adventure. Happy traveling, and don't forget to pack light. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.